Hello, guys. It has been a couple of days. I had made some recording the other day, and then somebody made me notice that all my videos were silent. So I took them down, but I made a good videos. Unfortunately, they're down now, and let's try again. I did test my sound, so it seems like it works. It works now. So um, Tesla daily time frame. We had an important retest Friday, a big sell-off, 5% down, but it went down and touched the 20 days double exponential moving average, and it managed to close back into the channel. As you can see here, this is a downtrend channel, and below the 5 days double exponential moving average. So Tesla definitely is losing momentum, and so the bears can start or should start to watch this closely. The MACD is still is crossed to the bulls, although it's going kind of flat. So this looks like it could turn, but again, it's too early, in my opinion, to start a short. We need some more confirmation. So, what are the levels that I will watch at this point? Let me delete Fibonacci. I was doing some testing. So, right now we are at this particular level on which we basically don't have almost any volume right here. The peak of the volume, the second peak of the volume, so the first peak is here at 240, the second peak is here at 192. 192, I mean, it's what, 1% away? So 192 is fairly close. And here is where I want to start seeing what's happening. If the price gets, if buyers step in, or it sells off some more. We could go and retest the 50 days double exponential moving average, who happens to be at almost 155. And I think that's going to happen because, well, first of all, we have this let me delete this. We have this gap from 154 all the way down to 146. So there is like $8 gap to fill. And it matches almost to the level of the 50 days double exponential moving average. So I think that's a good possibility. Moreover, if we change time frame and we go on the weekly time frame, that level of 150 something, right, 154, 154 is around, it's a little bit lower than here, okay, in this dead zone of volume. So it's basically right here, and it would match with the retest on the weekly chart of the 20 days double exponential moving average that little by little is going up. On the weekly chart, the MACD is crossed to the bulls, and the PMO down here, as you can see, it just crossed to the bulls too. So, and also the price, although is sold off, is still above the 50 days double exponential moving average. So, Tesla has mixed signals. um, I do believe that the price can chop around here and then go down, retest the 20 days double exponential moving average, and maybe bounce back up. I do believe that's a possibility. I was doing also some tests with Fibonacci, and as you can see, if we do like a retracement, if we consider these 214 the highest of this mega run that we had in the last couple of months, we could have a retracement 50% around 157. So it's right there between 145 and 157. In that $10 range is where the retracement could go. There is one other thing that I've considered, And so if we consider these a high, okay, let me draw it here. If we consider these a high, these are low, and these are lower high, and we draw Fibonacci, well, we have, I'm going to show it to you, and then I'll show you the retracement of this move. So if we draw the low, the high, and the lower low, or vice versa, we went below the 100% moving up, below the 100% Fibonacci level, and the 160% is down below here at 24. Now, that seems a little extreme. But if we consider this move and we actually do the retracement, so if we do a retracement over here, starting from the high here, and we go down, the 50% retracement is over here around 240. So it's really a mixed signal. But for right now, I will stick with this retracement first. So if the stock goes down and retrace, 38 to 50% around 156, then we could draw a Fibonacci. And if that's the low and the Fibonacci draw that way, let me change because I'm on the retracement. The Fibonacci that we would draw in that case would be low, high, lower low around 150, let's say 154. I'm just making something. And then, the 100% move would be around 264. So short term, it looks like it's building up for a bearish trade. But, we need to see what happens after that plays out. That's it for tonight, and have a good weekend, everybody, and we'll talk again probably on